Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be using this old bed sheet to create a 3/4 circle skirt. And as you can see, this one has this nice subtle pink flowery print on it. So I thought it would be perfect for a summer skirt. Here I'm patterning the skirt, and since the directions are extremely easy, I'm going to link down the website in the description box that I used for creating this, and on there you can actually pick out many choices of circle skirts that you want to make. But yeah, this was my final pattern, and I then cut it out, and I promptly forgot to create a pattern for the waistband, or well, kind of the facing, since the waistband will be tucked in. So here I am tracing it off of the skirt itself and then cutting it out. And this will be the waistband. Then it was time to sew up the center back seam, but first I marked where my invisible zipper would end. But I made a mistake here because I should have gone a little bit lower. Basically, the seam allowance amount lower, and instead I went right to the top, and that wasn't correct. So don't make the same mistake. Then I simply sewed with a normal straight stitch from the bottom of the skirt to that mark that I made. I backstitched there, and from that mark up I sewed a basting stitch. Then I pressed the seam allowance open, and with the zipper facing down I sewed all around it like this, as close to the zipper teeth as I could. This is what it looked like after, but I still had to finish the top, and once I did, I seam ripped the basting stitches. Then I folded the ends of the waistband in like this. I pinned it and I sewed all around. Okay, so in the beginning I messed up when I sewed my zipper higher than it should have been. So I had a little bit more trouble doing this than you will have if you're about to do this. But yeah, you basically just have to fold the end of the zipper away to the side, and then you want to fold the waistband over it to cover everything and pin it to the zipper like that. Again, as close to the zipper teeth as you can get. Also, don't forget to zigzag stitch and understitch the waistband before you do this. I top stitched the waistband too, but you don't really have to do that, and this is how it all looked like finished. I made a double hem on the bottom of the skirt, and it was done. It came out a little bit longer, so I might still shorten it a tiny bit, but other than that I'm quite satisfied with it. And yeah, if you guys like this one, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more, and I'll see you next week. Bye!